Okay, this is your physics lab class. Okay, our special student Mr.
This is our prodigy.
Francis Kosi and Melody and all my dear student. Okay, good morning. Okay, today our practical object is to determine the surface tension of water by capillary rise method. Okay, this complete setup is called capillary rise method setup. Okay, this individual setup is traveling microscope, traveling microscope, traveling microscope. Okay, okay, this one is beaker and this is capillary tube. Okay, so one by one we explain what thing we see under this practical. First, title, prior concept, new concept, learning objective, apparatus required, diagram, theory, procedure, observation table, formula and calculation, result, precaution, application, and last thing is question answer. Okay, if you are read all this topic, then you have to complete your practical. Okay, I will explain one by one. First is title. Okay, what is the title of this practical? To determine the surface tension of water by capillary rise method. Okay,
Okay.
what thing we do in this practical? To find the surface tension of water by given liquid or water. Okay, here to determine the surface tension of water by capillary rise method. Object is clear?
Yeah.
What we find? Surface tension of water. Okay, what is the prior concept? The meaning of prior concept is, in this practical, what we say about this practical. Okay, the scientist, German scientist, okay, in the field of chemistry, her works was fundamental in establishing the modern discipline known as surface science, which describe the property of liquid solid surface. Surface tension is the elastic tendency of a fluid surface which makes it acquire the least surface area possible. That means we know the simple definition of surface tension, the minimum occupy area. Okay, very simple word we say. What? The minimum occupy area. Okay, this is called surface tension. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Okay, continue.
Yeah, continue.
What are the new concept of this practical? Okay, new concept of this practical is, there are so many example in our daily life in which used surface tension concept. Surface tension allow the insect usually denser than water to float and
Right.
stride on the water surface. No, stride
Yeah.
in upper portion of water. Okay, surface tension of soft solution is less. It can spread over large area and wash cloth more efficiently. Clear? This is the new concept under uh, antiseptic like Dettol have low surface tension. You seen Dettol?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, because antiseptic like this Dettol have very low surface tension, so that they spread faster. Clear? What are the learning object of this experiment? Okay, what we learn after this practical? Okay, first thing is, students understand the theory of surface tension of water. Okay, if we complete this experiment, then we understand what are the exact definition of surface tension, what are the proper definition of surface tension. Okay, first thing is clear. Second thing, students correlate the property of surface tension. You compare this object, other object, to compare, okay, the surface tension of water with different natural phenomena. Okay, students understand the concept of capillary in liquid. Capillary in liquid. Okay, they are able relate surface tension and capillary. Apparatus required. How many apparatus required in this practical? Okay, first thing capillary tube. Okay, second is beaker, third is traveling microscope, and fourth is thermometer. Okay,
Okay.
this one is the diagram of this experiment. Okay, you set here. Okay, okay, you you only touch the capillary to the water.
Okay.
Okay, we seen here through the microscope,
Microscope.
traveling microscope. Okay, clear? This is capillary, beaker, and under the okay. What is the theory of this experiment? An actual reaction force act on the water meniscus is upward direction. Okay, we see here if you touch the capillary on this water, the one new surface is created. See, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, this type of surface. Okay, so overall we seen through this theory for the use of this experiment, we find out the formula. Okay, with the help of this theory we find the formula of this experiment. Okay, we directly shown the formula of this experiment. Okay, T is equal to R plus R. Okay, T is equal to R bracket H plus R upon 3 dg upon 2 cos theta. Okay, T is what? Surface tension of
Water. At room temperature.
water at room temperature. Okay, R is what? Inner radius of capillary tube. Inner radius of capillary tube. H is height of the capillary. Okay, height of the capillary. कहाँ से होगा? Water measured vertically from the bottom of the meniscus to the horizontal part of the free surface. Okay, that means this portion to free portion. Okay, D is what? Density of water. G is what? Acceleration due to gravity, and theta is what? Angle of contact within the present case. Present case theta is what? 0. Okay, cos 0, that means 1. Okay, so first of all we see observation. Okay, observation, the least count of the, what are the, how to find the least count of this traveling microscope? What is the formula? Value of one main scale division upon total number of vernier scale division. Okay, value of one main scale division upon total number of vernier scale division. Here 1 centimeter, how many lines? 20 lines. Okay, you count 1 to first side 10 and right side 10, and total number of vernier scale 50. Okay, you see here 1 centimeter upon 20 upon 50, then 1 upon 1000. You calculate what are the least count of the microscope? 0.001 centimeter. Overall our least count is, we find 0.001 centimeter. Clear? How to operate and do this practical? Okay, in first observation table we find the height of this water. in first observation table. Okay, we find the height of this
Water.
okay, yes, h. The surface part is a and free part is b. Okay, we find value a, second b, a minus b. Okay, first main scale reading. What is the total formula of total reading? Reading of total reading, what is the formula of total reading? Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. Clear? The formula of total reading is what? Main scale reading. Suppose this one is main scale reading, okay,
Yeah.
plus vernier scale reading into least count. What we find the least count? 0.001 centimeter. Suppose main scale reading is 5, okay, and vernier scale reading is 10, okay.
Yeah.
Then put this value in the formula of total reading. We get 5 plus 10 into 0.001. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear? First table is clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the first table we find out the height of this water.
Water.
Surface is a and free portion is b. H is equal to a minus
E.
b. Clear?
Yeah.
How to vary? Not this portion, we change the okay. In second diagram we change the setup.
Yeah.
Okay, first reading is clear.
Yes.
First observation, okay. Second observation table, what we find in second observation? The radius of this capillary.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
concept clear.
Yes.
What we find?
The radio.
Radius of
Vocabulary.
capillary. Okay, directly we not find out the radius, so we find the diameter of this tube.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
You know diameter is equal to
Hmm?
radius is equal to
2 per hour.
no. I ask one question. The relationship between radius and diameter.
Yes.
What?
Radius. Diameter is half. And radius is half. Diameter is half of radius.
Yes, r is equal to d by 2.
Yeah.
That means radius is equal to diameter upon 2, because of diameter is half of the radius.
Radius.
Clear? Concept is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. We seen and find this circle of this capillary. You see. Surface area seen or not? Yes or no?
See?
Seen. The picture is very different. If you are seen not this type, okay,
So-
we seen only the circle part, whole part, okay. Clear?
Oh, okay.
Francis, clear?
Yeah, yeah. It's good. Yeah. You can.
Circle is fine?
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Sure. Yes, yes.
Practical is clear?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
What you seen?
I saw the diameter of this, the hole, the circle.
We find out or not?
Yeah, found it.
The image is clear?
Yeah, image is clear.
Image is clear?
Clear.
Okay. So, how to get the reading? Yes. Okay. How to find? Suppose we seen this type of,
Yeah.
okay, and this type of cross wire are seen.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, this is our capillary. Okay, first reading you take. Suppose this one is the circle and upper portion of the capillary. You take first reading, this portion,
Okay.
second reading,
Yeah.
third reading, and
Fourth reading.
fourth reading, and you take the average of. Okay, no, first time you take, sorry, you add all the reading, okay, and divided by 4. Okay, we find the diameter. Okay, then half of the diameter we find the radius. Clear? Water. Okay, second reading, second observation table, we find also radius of the capillary tube. Okay, now put this value in this formula and get the main scale reading, main radius of the tube. Okay, so overall all the value we put and find the surface tension of water is 72.9129 per centimeter. Okay, we find. And next is percentage error. How to find the percentage error? Percentage, the formula of percentage error is the standard value minus experimental value upon standard value into 100%. Okay, why we find out percentage error? Because of every teachers known to understand the no any students are properly do the practical. Okay, so the measure the accuracy of this practical, we use this formula and find out the how many error done on during this practical. Okay, so our standard value is 72.8 and our practical value is 72.9 upon 72.8 into percent. Only for this, okay, not for we are not doing practically. Okay, according to the standard manual, okay, only 0.15% error found. Okay, but we do this practical, 100% sure to get 15 to 20%. Okay, 15 to 20%. So result of this experiment, finally the surface tension of water, okay, at 20 degree centigrade we find 72.912 per centimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Precaution of this experiment, okay, the capillary tube should be of uniform bore. Clear?
Yeah.
Second, the diameter of the tube should be measured at the meniscus only. Okay, concave or convex, the surface is concave or surface is convex. Okay, third, the capillary tube must be keep vertical. Okay, capillary tube vertical, not a horizontal. Okay, we keep it in horizontal. Fourth number, the top of the capillary tube should be open or not? Clear? Next, the capillary tube and the beaker should be clean and should not be contaminated with oil or clear. As the surface tension of liquid varies with temperature, the temperature of water must be recorded. Clear. The beaker must be nearly full. Nearly full. Okay. And last thing is application of this experiment. Okay. Surface tension prevent water from passing through the pores of an umbrella. These are the daily life example. If we done this experiment, we also seen the daily life example of this experiment. Okay. Surface tension prevent the water from passing through the pores of an umbrella. Okay, one water drop water. Okay. Second, the separation of oil and water is also caused by the difference in the surface tension of two liquids. Okay, the mercury used in the thermometer, clear? All are clear or not? Okay. Next, a duck is able to float on water. You seen more time in rural side. Okay. The waterproofing of tent is rarely to do with wind, weighting of the fabric rather than surface tension. You well known about this. Okay. Waterproofing. Next, due to capillary action, oil rises through wicks of lamp. Clear? Mosquito sitting on water, they do not sink in water due to surface tension. Francis, clear?
Yes.
I think no any doubt regarding this experiment. I think what you want to about this practical.
No, all is clear.
All is clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
Any doubt?
No, everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
It's okay.
If any question you ask me,
Yeah.
no any question? Everything is clear?
Let's see. No.
No one are used here today, not a single Hindi. Okay? Clear?
Yeah, but I didn't see the use of thermometer.
Use of thermometer.
Yeah.
We take only temperature. We know that temperature is 20, 24, 25, 27. Okay? The standard is 20 in our practical. Okay? Clear? Last thing, if you are done this experiment, then you get this experiment in your final exam. That means physics practical final exam. Okay, then external come and ask you how many questions in this experiment. So these are called viva type question. Okay, you also prepare. Okay, if you get an increase your number, then you get the answer of viva answer. Okay, so we collect 5 to 10 question regarding this experiment. Okay, first question is, what is surface tension? A property of liquid due to which a free surface behaves like a stretched membrane and that tends to acquire least possible surface area. In starting time, we also say the minimum occupy area. Okay. Second question, how do you measure surface tension? Okay. How do you measure surface tension? Yes. We get the answer. Surface tension is measured by the force acting per unit length along any line taken in the free liquid. Clear? Next question, what is the nature of intermolecular force? So our nature is electrostatic nature. Nature is electrostatic nature. What is the force? Question: intermolecular force between identical. Okay. What is the force of adhesive? Okay, this type of question. What is the capillary tube? What is capillary? Name of liquid those angle of contact is obtuse in a mercury. Okay, what is the angle of contact of water in contact with glass? 0. Initially cos theta is equal to, no, cos theta is equal to cos 0 is 1, and taking theta is 0, but cos 0 is 1. Okay. What is the cause of capillary rise of water? Extension of pressure different across the curved water air interface. And last thing is, thank you. Okay. So conclude this experiment. Okay, thank you class.